Good afternoon, Rio Grande Valley. It's Will, the professor, over here at Gilman Honda again. And an addendum to what we said yesterday about the sales department going out and taking cars to the customers for their appointments or delivering the cars to the houses. During this time, our parts and service department are also going to extend that. So if we need to go out and pick up your car and bring it in for service, we can do that. Again, if the parts department needs to go out and take the parts to you, we can do that as well. Again, we want to make sure that you're accommodated during this time and that you are safe and healthy. Again, my name is Will, the professor, and I look forward to seeing you here when things calm down at Gilman Honda in San Benito.